Sorry, bloopers. Definitely bloopers. It was in this. Shut up. I have a question. What? How am I gonna die? I don't see much of these. I mean, I think this is the only one we have here. Here is a drawing by a criminal artist of what eyewitnesses may Here is a drawing by a criminal artist of what eyewitnesses I just seen women. Oh, for God's sake. Here is a drawing by a criminal artist of what eyewitnesses.
I didn't do anything. The dead person just.
Okay. Oh dear.
That's what you got a ringtone. Yeah. What time is it now? 6:38. Yeah.
You're making plants.
No,
plants.
no, I don't. Sorry, I'm getting a bus.
Not plants, plants.
In Russia, very common. See it everywhere.
Yeah.
Here, not so much. It more like the worm.
At times of joke need.
I can't think of one.
Welcome back to Nature Strolls.
There's a pea there.
It will be fine.
I'll shed some light on this. Robin, that was terrible!